Well, 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 look what we have here. A Rockwell B-1B Lancer. Not every day you see that, huh? And apparently there's another one out there as well. Let me show you. Look. It's this one. Two B-1B Lancers and they're flying together. Say, I wonder what they're doing out here. Probably doing a training flight or something. Otherwise, they're probably up to something. Meanwhile, we got a WP3D Orion. It's currently circling Hurricane Melissa, which is right by Jamaica right now. And this C-130 Hercules is doing the same. Now it's number 2 worldwide. It's even gone right through it, as it looks like it. Gone through the eye, as I would call it. And right now, yeah, they're literally just like looking at it and just seeing how everything is going. Any other flights that are probably nearby? What's this? A Learjet 31A is about to land in Aruba in the midst of quite some crazy weather. And this Saab 340 is about to take off. But hopefully it won't get caught in the cyclone, or hurricane, sorry. And then, what's this? And a high altitude balloon joins the fold as well. Flying at 62,600 feet. Wow, that is so high. They're tracking the weather as well. Well, hurricanes like this, you're gonna need all eyes on it, that's for sure. Anyway, comment below which aircraft you found the most interesting. I thought I'd show you all of them in case you were interested.